Welcome. This video is strictly about you trying to get rid of this sciatic type pain, this chronic lower back condition that's lingering on and causing, quote, hell in your life. And I want to do my best to show you some great stretch exercises and great strategies to get rid of this problem so you can have a pain-free life. Get back to the life that you used to live, to stay healthy, and most important, to be happy. Let's get to it. The first thing we want to do before we get involved in these other stretches, get the bad leg and prop it up. All we want to do is just put some mobilization in there to increase blood supply, allow the muscles to warm up, to put motion into the hip joint, to free up the tendons and ligaments. Very simple. Just go back and forth. Do that for about a minute. After you do that, just take your knee and just little bits of flexion and extension. Good. We can grab the toe and just pull it up. You'll feel stretching behind the calf because remember the sciatic nerve works behind that calf area. A lot of people get pain, tingling, burning in there. If there's too much pain, don't do it. And that is a good starter. One of my favorite stretches is the piriformis stretch, but sitting. We're going to take the side that's hurting us, we'll say my left side here, we're going to cross it over the right knee, and all we're going to do is we're just going to take the chest and lean it towards the ankle, just like this. And while doing so, you'll feel that stretching, that burning on that left side. You'll hold it there about 30 to 45 seconds. You can release it. You can come back again, and you'll feel more of a stretch. You can push a little bit further down. Don't bob, just hold that stretch. And you can actually do both sides to balance out that pelvic, even though the other side's not hurting you, but the side that is hurting you, you can spend a little bit more time on that stretch. The alternative stretch would be the left side, but putting it behind the right knee like this. And as you put it behind the right knee, you'll just pull it forward and you'll feel that same stretch. So if I was going to do my right piriformis, you're going to put it behind the left knee, bend the left knee up, and you'll pull underneath that left thigh area, and you'll hold that stretch for about 30 to 45 seconds. Another one of my favorite simple exercises that you won't see on the internet is very simple in the sense that we're just standing up, and if I'm working my left side of my buttocks area, I'm going to keep my legs pivoted forward. I'm going to rotate and turn to the right side, okay? And I want to go ahead and touch the outside of my right foot. So I'm already turned to the right side. Touch the ground on that side as you're leaning down. You're not going to go all the way down, and you'll feel that left buttocks and lower back really start to stretch. Get to that furthest point. Hold it there about 30 to 45 seconds, and this will really make a big change in reducing that contracture and that tightness. You can do that several times. If it's the other side, you'll just lean. If it's my right buttocks, we'll lean to the left, then we'll rotate down and we'll hold it in that position. That will really make a big change in your sciatica. And the last one is just to release that whole hip joint, to really stretch it, a good stretch. This is really simple and kind of feels really good. You can come up against anything. If you want to hold on just for leverage, you can do it up against the wall, but for the camera's purpose, I want you to be able to get a good understanding on the view. So all we're going to do is I'm just going to grasp this pole right here, and this left side's giving me a problem. Watch what I do is I just shift my whole weight, my whole hip into that left side. And I just hold it there. I'm just holding on for stability. All the stretching is on the left side. Really good stretching for the hip, for the buttocks, and really opens up that whole unit to where that nerve runs through. I really think that you'll like this stretch. And just hold it there. Let your whole body just fall into it. That's the key. Just let it fall into it. Hold it a good 30, 40 seconds, and you can do that several times. So here's your book of recipes to sciatica. Put it to work. Do these stretches daily, twice a day, whatever it takes. I hope this makes a big change in your pain that you're experiencing. I ask you to share this video with others to make a change in their life. Subscribe so you can get notifications. Check me out on Facebook, Motivational Doc. Most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.